If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Bitcoin is melting faces right now. We saw an absolutely incredible move last night to $42,000. We are having a bit of a retracement at the moment, but we've seen that our targets have been met to the upside. So nice to see this actually getting going, and hopefully this can drag altcoins up once this starts to stabilize, as now it's time for Bitcoin to shine. In this video update, we're going to talk about something that I haven't seen anyone speaking of, and it's very important if we want to go into a bull market. So stay tuned. It's a hugely important update, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k followers before the end of this year. Now, what we're looking at on Bitcoin, we'll quickly zoom in on the 4-hour time frame and go back to why specifically I had this target to the upside. So if I'm going from this high to this low, we can see this was a 40k technical target, so a nice psychological level, but we did actually have targets a little bit higher going off of this Fibonacci. It was important to hold this level over here in order to give this continuation. If you remember my update all the way from back down here, I saw a whole bunch of really respectable YouTubers calling for a huge dump from this point as we lost the moving averages. And every single time we dumped below the moving averages, I was seeing these same huge influencers or crypto YouTubers posting that it's going to see a dump. But if you've been watching the channel long enough, you know that we use the 200 EMA, this white line over here. And even if we dump, as long as the dumps stay above this point, we're going to end up eventually flipping back bullish. And bullish is higher highs and higher lows. So if we're holding those higher lows and they are all appearing above the 200 EMA, we should eventually see higher highs, and every single time we got that in the end. This is why, as long as we were holding this golden pocket, we didn't need to come back down to the 200 EMA. You can see that right over here, we held the golden pocket very nicely, and with that reversing, reclaiming the moving averages, forming an EMA repel, and at that point I said we need to fall back, this being the lowest point of support. We really want to hold the moving averages. That is the move that we got, and we saw continuation to $40,000, everyone. Absolutely incredible. Please, if you haven't already, do like, subscribe, comment and share. It shows appreciation, and yeah, of course I appreciate it as well. Now, heading over to the daily time frame, we can see that we're moving up into this golden pocket area, so a key level of resistance. And the reason why I said at the beginning of the video, why is no one talking about this, is because now that we're at the golden pocket and trying to break through it, we can then now say, if this is flipped into support, officially the bull market is here. Now, we've had many early signals, such as why I started to buy it back over here, as well as going back to the weekly time frame over here, where we had a failed death cross basically forming an EMA repel, which is what we've been talking about on the channel multiple times. You just saw them on the 4-hour time frame. This was about to form a disgusting death cross signal, sending us into a continuation into a downtrend where we lose the 15k low. But as we invalidated that, we need a slingshot motion to reclaim it and confirm it as support with this double bottom that we found over here. And so all of that is bullish continuation. All of these signals are bullish continuation. However, there's that one final level that we need to see broken, and we're at it right now, everyone. So realistically, when we're using Fibonacci's, you have a big push up, we measure that, it says come back to here, this will be your entry for a buy. Equally, if we have a big dump, we're like, okay, we can't sell because it's just been going down in a straight line. Let's wait for a pullback, which would be the golden pocket, and then we look for continuation lower. So this is what's currently happening right now. The bottom of 15k is here, and 42k is right up there right now at the golden pocket. So the risk is continuation lower, 2 new lows. Those 12k people are going to be jumping out again. However, please do understand that in order to go to a bull market, you need to invalidate that. So this will not happen if it truly is the bull market. And we've had multiple signs earlier on when we reclaimed the 20, which was a loss of this low, reclaimed and confirmed the support right over here. Then the failed death cross, which formed an EMA repel, which then confirmed the bottom of this trend bullish, as the 200 EMA is beneath the price action holding as support. So this all essentially means, as well as the bullish cross here, that this is a bull market. But there's that one final thing hanging over your head. The reversal wave needed to be created, and in order to do so, we need to see this not just broken but flipped into support, so we could keep rallying up right now closer to 44, 45, 50k. but in due time, we will fall back to this golden pocket. It then must hold as support for the reversal wave to be confirmed and continuation beyond our 69k all-time high over here. So it's very exciting times, and this is why I wanted to make a video not only about Bitcoin looking to continue higher, melt faces as it has been doing the past week, but also to point out right over here something that I'm not seeing anyone talking about, which is we're entering those stages of the bull market where there's not going to be any people arguing anymore. Just now, pretty much break through this, confirm its support, and there's no argument for downside anymore. We've reclaimed this low, as we continue to pump, whenever we do come back down, as long as it maintains within this area, which is the lower end of the golden pocket, we've now reclaimed this key level of support that was holding us back up in 2021, where we had a double bottom. And so by reclaiming it and confirming its support, we're looking to head to the range high. So that's how we take this journey back up to the range high. And it's all about the golden pocket over here, this huge box of support, which is currently resistance, but we need to see it actually being used as support for the continuation higher. So I do not believe we would go back down under 30k again. That can of course change, but as of now, we can see the 20 moving average on the weekly above 30k. We can see this pretty much at 29.6k. So this is the second layer of defense. So all we're waiting for is a further breakout, fall back to this golden pocket of support between 32 and 40k, and then full continuation back up to our previous all-time high. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Very important one, because we're in that final step of confirming 100% that the bull market is here. I'm waiting for one final big crash. Maybe that comes before the halving or after the halving, and then it's go time, everyone. Remember, that dump needs to hold the golden pocket for continuation higher. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like, subscribe, comment and share. It really does help the channel grow, makes YouTube aware that these videos are appreciated, and pump them out to other people. And again guys, if you want to take action on my education, I have an ebook course, Discord community where we do weekly group calls, as well as a one-to-one mentorship plan. If you're interested in any of these, use the links down below, head over straight to the website or to my Twitter for more information. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.